As the Philippine Navy charts its course toward full modernization, a golden opportunity may be on the horizon for a major shipbuilder right in our own backyard, Austal Cebu. With Japan and Australia teaming up on a powerful new class of frigates, could this be the next big step for the Philippines too? Let's break it down in this video. The pilar-Class offshore patrol vessels, once the pride of the Philippine Navy, are aging fast. These former U.S. Coast Guard Hamilton-class cutters were commissioned into Philippine service between 2011 and 2016. By the early 2030s, these ships will be nearly 65 years old, counting their time in U.S. service. That means a replacement is not just ideal, it's inevitable. And with 2 new frigates expected to be ordered by the Navy around 2025 or 2026, attention may soon turn to the next generation of warships to take over long-range patrol and combat roles. Meet Thezero 6 FFM, Japan's newest stealth frigate design, set to succeed the Mogami-class frigates. Initially, Japan planned to build 22 Mogami-class ships, but in 2023, the plan shifted. Only 12 Mogamis will be built. The remaining budget? Reallocated to the newer, more powerful Thezero 6 FFM frigate. This new ship weighs in at 4,800 tons, noticeably larger than the Mogami. While it sheds the traditional stealth sheer of the Mogami, it features improved capabilities and survivability. It's also optimized for high-end combat, with an expanded hull for more space and better seakeeping. The Thezero 6 FFM is armed with the Type 23 surface-to-air missile, Type 12 anti-ship missile, and anti-submarine rockets, all supported by a 32-cell vertical launch system on the bow. This makes the Thezero 6 FFM a true multi-role warship, ideal for contested waters like the West Philippine Sea. In a major development, Austal, a leading Australian shipbuilder, was selected to partner with Japan's Mitsubishi Heavy Industries to build 6 to 8 of these new Thezero 6 FFM frigates for the Royal Australian Navy. This means Austal is now deeply embedded in the Thezero 6 FFM program, and that includes technology transfers, shipbuilding know-how, and Japanese naval architecture techniques, all of which could benefit Austal's branch in Cebu. Here's where things get interesting. Austal Cebu has previously offered a steel-hulled offshore patrol vessel design to the Philippine Navy. While it wasn't selected then, the facility has proven capabilities, skilled Filipino labor, and the infrastructure to scale up. If the Philippine Navy chooses the Thezero 6 FFM to replace the pilar-Class, it opens the door for local construction, or at least local assembly and fitting out, through Austal Cebu. This wouldn't just mean new ships for the Philippine Navy, it could spark technology transfer, jobs for Filipino shipbuilders, and a major boost for the Self-Reliant Defense Posture program. From a strategic perspective, the Thezero 6 FFM is a perfect fit. With tensions rising in the West Philippine Sea, the Philippines needs ships that can deliver credible deterrence while performing surveillance, ASW, and surface warfare missions. The pilar-Class ships have long performed these tasks, but their age and limited armament mean they're no longer up to the challenge of modern warfare. By replacing them with Thezero 6 FFM, the Philippine Navy gets a battle-ready, multi-role platform with the added benefit of interoperability with Japan and Australia, 2 of our strongest regional partners. The stars may be aligning, with Austal building Thezero 6 FFMs for Australia, Mitsubishi leading the design, and the Philippines looking for modern replacements for its aging frigates. This could be the moment Austal Cebu has been waiting for. A Philippine-built or assembled Thezero 6 FFM frigate, backed by Filipino workers, Japanese design, and Australian collaboration, a true trilateral victory for regional defense. Will the Department of National Defense seize the opportunity? Only time will tell. But the blueprint for the future may already be docked in Cebu. Like, comment, and subscribe for more Philippine defense news and updates. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.